Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. What we have here specifically, 2016 Ford F-150 that we'll be demonstrating on right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. You have a special fuse for the transmission control module, TCM fuse. Check it out if you have problems with the transmission. That's another fuse that you need to check. We have the video on the channel. It will be in that fuse box. And if you see, guys, you have really special fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, could be really overpriced, expensive, or impossible to find. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. So now, where is the fuse, guys? Okay, for the transmission shifter. Okay, you can have the one on the four transmission shifter or the one on the steering wheel. It really depends on which kind you have, but it will be on the passenger side in the food compartment, guys, right here. If you remove that kick panel over there, you're going to see, guys, okay, a fuse box that looks like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse right here that we need to check specifically, guys, okay, if you pay attention, okay, you have numbers that jump one number, for instance 15, then 16, 18, 20. So if you pay attention, those are double fuses, guys, two fuses in one. The one that we need to check is fuse number 19. Nowhere it says 19, but that fuse that says 20 on the left side, that's fuse number 19, that's fuse number 20. So that fuse right here is for the transmission shifter. Okay, another thing that fuse is for the headlight switch on the right side. But that fuse right here, guys, will need to be checked and replaced if you have problems. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.